C6 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't mind having this one in my garage. 2012 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 11,000 on this one is all. LS3 power, 6-speed, automatic with overdrive, paddle shift. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Torch red, black interior, and take a look at this spaceship. This car is clean. I have not noticed any real major nicks, chips, dings, scratches. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, trunk, engine bay, top up, top down. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the still pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. A couple options you'll see on the window sticker: the chrome wheels, drilled rotors, painted calipers, and a picture of that window sticker will be in with the still pictures of the car, so you can check it out. It's a copy of the window sticker, copy of the build sheet, owner's manual, 2 key fobs, car cover. Tell this is a well taken care of car. Up and down the passenger side, you can also see free of nicks, chips, scratches. Like I said, this baby's clean. Black interior, of course, bucket seats, center console, dual electronic climate control, driver's information center over there. Black top also. That rear wing would be an option, and it also has the dual mode performance exhaust. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run in just a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the underside. It's like new. I do want to mention these are the original tires also, so you know the age of them. If you'd like to replace them, it's up to the next owner. If you want to keep them original, it's up to you. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Corvettes, no matter what era, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase right off our showroom floor or online, of course. There's also a charger in the trunk. All right, let's go ahead and check this interior over. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side. Your modern amenities that you're going to have in a later model Corvette. Let's fire it up. All right, actual miles 11,625. No check engine light, service engine light, anything like that. Just that little light telling me to put on my seat belt. Of course, AC blows cold. The interior's in as good a condition as the rest of the car, and this one looks as good in person, folks, as it does in the pictures and the videos. Great sounding car. And that LS3 power, 6.2 liter. What were they, 435 horse maybe? Let's go ahead and get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. All right, hood liner, nice and clean. Doesn't look like this car's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. No doubt about that. Look at this engine bay. Wow. Take a peek from the passenger side. Nice and clean and tidy. What you'd expect, one owner, that kind of miles on it. Excuse me, Carfax shows 2 owners, but definitely well taken care of. And again, low miles, no accidents indicated. Like I said, wouldn't mind having this one in my garage myself. All right, let me set up the tripod here. I'm going to show you how this top goes up and down. Manual top, piece of cake, one person can do it. I'm guessing in less than a minute. If you want to time me, try it. And the convertible top up. As you can see, very simple to put up on these, one person, really less than a minute or so. Side glass rolled up, so you can see, nice fit on that. This top basically shows no wear at all. Glass rear window, rear to fog. Round to the passenger side, side glass also fits well. What you'd expect out of a car with a little over 11,000 miles on it, clean Carfax. Get a nice tight fit above the windshield. So there you go. I'll show you it going back down and how easy it is to fold up into the storage compartment also. And then remember, stick around at the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. It's a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Clean Carfax. A little over 11,000 miles. That LS3 power with the 6-speed automatic with paddle shift. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, and we are running with the top down today. If you see any lights flickering on the dash, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the car itself. The car looks great. 2012 with less than 12,000 miles on it, this car is like new. And running great, plenty of acceleration power. It's an automatic right here, so it's easy to drive for anybody. Our temperature gauge is working, still slowly approaching 180. The oil pressure over 40. Battery's charging a little over 14, and the fuel gauge is reading a quarter of a tank. That's all working as it should. Tachometer and speedometer working. Factory stereo sounds good. The beginning of the years, in my opinion, when Corvette was perfecting it, really good value in these cars for sports, performance cars. Nice leather bucket seat, not a hard seat like some of those other cars. This is a comfortable bucket seat. Corners excellent, stays nice and flat in the corners. You can give her some throttle and not even get tire squeal. The classic American sports car, the Chevrolet Corvette, this is a great example. A red convertible from 2012. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.